Oh! Oh my god! Oh my.
I am inevitable. And I am
The coaxial fireworks.
Hello guys and welcome back to Risen Legends, and today we are doing a 1v1 between me, the coaxial firework, and Raven124. So Raven, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go. Create. Let's just check out the. Okay, you know what? I just need to show this to you. Yeah, here it is. I couldn't save it. Okay. Wait, you wanna do in BHE?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Wait, why my default skin?
So that's your rendering again. Like it takes time to render.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Um. Okay, do you have the code? Cause I can't find my code.
I have it. If you
Okay, yeah, I found it.
I placed it already.
Oh damn, we placed it. Okay.
1 second, I start the game.
Yeah, just started. Okay. But what weapons are we taking?
The ones that are in the game. You can take the grappler, but like you can't use it to come to other builds.
Okay, yeah. I know. Only if you fall down you can use it.
Yeah. I hope you know how to do a 1v1.
Yeah, I do. Okay, wait, let me just arrange my weapons. Yeah, maybe I'm ready to go.
Okay. 3. It's a best of what? 5?
Maybe. Yeah, fine. Best of 5.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, I got stuck. I'm bad at this.
Sky base means a bat. And sky base.
Okay, let's go.
I heard you fall.
No, I didn't.
Wait, there was that sound. It heard like someone falling. Okay, I'm coming back to my build.
Okay, I'm bad at 1v1, so guys, please do not comment down that I am a noob. Okay. I
And
hope
if,
I don't. I hope I
and
don't reach max height.
yeah, if you reach max height, the builds reset.
I know, I don't want to do that. So let me just build a sky base right over here. Okay, let's build a sky base. Okay, let's go. Wait, we are allowed to use pyramids, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, great.
I'm still trying to search for a way to come up.
Oh, nice sniping. Who's no dope? I don't know who's no
I
dope.
don't know.
Wait, should I kick him? Don't kill me, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Mm,
Probably your friend or something.
yeah, that's why I just kicked him. I sometimes make randoms for some reason.
Make a party tiger.
Yeah, wait a minute. Then don't.
Yeah, I'm just.
Um, yeah, done.
Okay, you done? I think you're reaching max height.
I know, I'm very close to max height. That's why. Now I shall stop. Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn. Oh my god, that's bad.
They've buffed the combat.
I know, I saw it. It gives like direct 75.
No, 75 was headshot. I think yeah, it did give 75. Okay, so I won one. Go. 1 second. Go. I trapped myself. I'm stupid.
I'm just so bad at this.
Oh wait, did you?
Oh great, bounce pads. I took some. But you won't be
Oh
able
my
to.
god, I fell.
Haha, haha, haha.
You're reaching max height.
Great, you can't do that. You just broke my bills.
No, you're reaching max height. That's
That's not max height. Wait, what am I even trying to do?
I don't know.
I did something wrong. Okay, okay, great. Okay, I literally am on great height. No, I fell.
Okay, this is taking insanely long. Bro, you're reaching max height.
No,
That's really close to max height.
but I'm still not on max height. So, and
No, because
if I reach on max height, I'll automatically fall down. Yay,
I
max height.
told you.
Wait, I'll just come up. I'll just come up. I'm pretty close.
Okay, wait, it didn't reset.
It never resets.
Oh my god.
What did you think?
Did you have to reach max height? Like,
I don't know.
where are you?
I fell.
Wait, I'm coming up, like, because I had it found out.
Did you also fall?
Yeah, once you reach max height, everyone needs to come down.
Oh no, who did this?
Okay, I didn't know.
Ta-da!
Let's not hope. Lord. Oh wait, that is.
Oh my god, I missed.
What in the world? Where are you?
Did I deal damage to you?
I'll say 26 damage.
Oh nice, so nice. Wow, you made me fall. That's nice. I missed. Oh my god.
I broke your shield. You dead. You're
Okay.
one hit. Where are you hiding?
I fell down for some reason. Let me just come from the other side.
Johnny's here. Have you seen The Shining?
No. Oh no! I'm
You're
on 2
so
HP.
low.
I'm on 2
You're so
HP.
low. Oh, wait. I need to come back to this. The longest game.
Okay, I'm on damn.
I can't even hear you.
I'm on damn 2 HP. And I fell.
I fell.
Even I fell again. Are we allowed to use health regain items?
You're not.
Damn, this is bad.
Wait, if you're using bounce pad, okay.
Okay, you got me. You got me. I'm on 2 HP. Great. And I'm dead. Oh, I was just about to die.
How am I missing that? I can't. Okay. I just randomly fell. Ah!
Oh damn, I got
Where
stuck.
are you?
Ta-da! I died!
Huh.
Okay.
Wait, I'm coming down. Wait, you edit in a build fight like that for the start?
Yeah, that's how you are supposed to do it in real.
No, like I edit from the middle, like a doorish kind of thing.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. You started firing. Wait, what?
It's kills. Wait, you? Oh my god. I feel like. Okay,
Hey, hey. That's
at fallen,
that's.
I accidentally. That missed you. That's not fair. Okay, you fell. I fell. You fell.
No, no, no. I'm still there. I'm still there.
What? I can't even see you. Where are you? Insert granny music. Do you still play granny?
Sometimes on PC, but I left it on phone because it
Yeah,
was
it's like
boring.
boring now. Where are you? I keep hearing you.
Haha, haha, haha.
Okay, I see you.
Why do you make me fall?
I'm trying to shoot you.
And you break my bills. This is just not good.
Wait, 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 wait.
Oh my god! This was bad. This was bad. I came to you and I fell.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Grappler has extra power now. Okay, this time I got saved, but next time I might die.
Okay, you are literally in front of me. I'm searching for you.
And I'm searching for you. Oh! Oh no!
And enemy spotted.
Let's run! Yay,
fell
I
again.
fell. I fell again. Oh my god.
I fell, but I came up again. Where are you now?
Oh, that's bad.
Here's Johnny. I don't know. I'm obsessed with.
Oh, I got stuck. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's crank up. Okay, great, 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 great. Wait, no.
It's like I'm spectating you.
Haha, haha, haha.
Wait, have you reached max height?
No, I have not.
Smart. Haha. Okay, you're so low. You're so low. Wait, you reach.
Yeah,
You
I,
reached
I,
max
I, I
height.
did reach max height,
Haha.
and I fell. So I need to grapple and come up.
No,
Oh
I
my
can
god.
still shoot you, right? But it's like really hard.
What?
I can still shoot you, but it's really hard to aim.
You can see me?
Yeah,
Wait, what?
I can see you shooting now. I'm like a hawk. I see your every move.
Oh, I see. You sniped me, boy. Okay.
You were seriously that low?
Yeah, I was on 2 HP.
My beautiful cat.
Uh,
It's used to shave Tony Stark's beard.
what?
My um pickaxe is used to shave Tony Stark's beard. Wait, why did everything just reset on? Okay,
Ready?
yeah. I know it's supposed to be like a best of 5, but let's just play it.
Oh my god, you are up high. Wait, what? No. No, no, no. God save me. God save me. Oh my god. I'm dead. Let me get 1 kill for me. Oh
I
wait.
see you.
Even I see you.
You
Okay.
hear that? It's like the scariest thing in Fortnite. You hear this sound.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker has been released. Haha.
I fell, I fell, I fell. Okay. Let me just get on here. I fell again. No, 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 jump.
I was not even aiming.
I know. Oh no, did I deal any damage to you?
No, I'm 100.
Oh my god. Okay. One more
The
score
last
to
match.
go.
Last match. If you win this, then we'll play more. Because you won one. Wait, I've okay. I was stuck for a second.
Hey, stop sniping.
You fell.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I
No,
saw
I
you.
didn't.
Oh, I dare you to do that again. Okay, you came up. That's kind of cheating, but like, fine. I fell. I just, I just 100% horribly fell.
Why did I fall in killing you?
Let me snipe you. Ooh, that was close. The pressure cooker is cooking. It's getting pressurized. You're like,
Oh my god. I'm stuck.
Bye. Bye. Okay, this thing has 0 accuracy. Why did I say?
Headshot.
You fell.
No, I'm still
Kind of.
there.
You. Why am I still using this? That did 44 damage. Hi, how are you? Okay.
Oh no.
Let's do one lap. Whoever wins this wins it all.
Okay, fine. Final point. Let's go. End of the game. Wait a sec.
Even if you win, I technically won, but like, I won too much. So
I haven't played Fortnite. I'm bad at this. Okay.
I haven't played much in the past week.
Same, even me.
Oh wow. You just literally walked. I'm waiting for you to look at me because I'm too attractive. That did 27 damage. That's. I thought it would do more. Okay, I'm not using this. I fell. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh my god!
Okay,
Oh my-
nice.
The coaxial firework started dancing like.
बिलीची नागिन निघाली मुन्नावर डोळा लागला बिलीची नागिन निघाली मुन्नावर डोळा
You defeated me.
Okay, fine. Okay, so guys, and this is it for today, and we end the video over here. Wait, Raven, just come to me.
Yeah, 1 second. Technically, I won, but okay.
I know.
You
Wait,
got the
where are
last
you?
one.
Yeah. Let's just emote and end the video.
Yes. You want to
So
see my emote?
no, no, stop. Wait, hello. Wait, I think he's disconnected. So guys, and this is it for today, and hope you subscribe to the channel, and see you soon in the next video, and goodbye.